What's up, y'all? It's another great morning here in Atlanta, and I'm about to go get some lunch. Probably go get some vlog video downtown with my bro. I'm going to Nobu right now. Got some food. The weather's been great recently. Feels good to come back to America when the weather is like not so cold, it's not so hot either, so it's good enough for like a little windbreaker, or you can be outside comfortable with some comfy clothes. But yeah, it's day 4 here in Atlanta, and everything's been good so far. Feel good to be back in America after 14 months abroad in China. So stay tuned. This will be my first time going to Nobu. Let's see what they got. I've been hearing a lot about the food, so I'm excited to taste it. Maybe some sushi or something. Let's see what they got. Come on.
So, you're gonna help me hold my camera for a little bit. I wanna shoot it.
I'm considerable.
You consider?
You help me, I help you, bro.
I help you a lot, bro.
Help me some more, and I help you some more.
So stupid, bro.
You been to California? Miami? Bet. Yeah. We'll talk. Need my beard. Talk to my beard.
For the night, I'm finna go soon. Fuck the club, I'd rather count these millions. I can't hold you. Come join the circle. I can box you up. I'm trying to coach you. Be a saddlebag, but that bro need to try.
Just got to the Nobu. Let's go get some lunch, man.
Bro, you doing live stream?
Yeah.
That'd be weird, bro.
Bro, what you recommend as far as the sushi?
Sushi, do you like cooked or raw? Cooked. Cooked, I would say the spicy tuna is one of our more popular ones. There's a yellowtail jalapeno.
No spicy, bro.
No spicy, so it's like mayo chili garlic, so it's not super spicy. You think of like yum yum sauce.
This girl outside at 1 a.m. in China. Yeah, that's good.
Supposed to be home, right?
Spicy anti-cucumber, sweet teriyaki sauce. Yeah, some spicy.
Look at this guy, man. This is like zombie, what's up? Ooh. Let's go. Let's go. Thank you, bro. First time at Nobu, the jalapeno salmon. Let's see what it's like. Wish me luck. My first time actually standing next to a Cybertruck. Bro, this shit is actually huge. Look how big the tire is. Cool little coffee shop here in Atlanta. I'm about to order black Americano and see what it's like. Can I get a Americano iced coffee? The small one is fine.
You want it iced?
Yeah.
Is that all for you?
Yes. Can I pay with Apple Pay? What's your name?
Tomorrow.
Nice to meet you, Tamara.
You too.
This coffee is fire, bro. Hey yo,
bro, why didn't you?
bro, my shit fell from yesterday. They said if a black guy's holding the coffee, the police is not gonna bother him. And there was a cop right over there, and I'm holding the coffee, and he ain't said shit. I guess it's true. But the car look good when it's clean, don't it? Hey. Kung Fu tea? We're gonna go get some Kung Fu tea.
We doing this, we're doing the vlog stuff without an assistant. It's hard.
I told you that, bro. It's my farm, bro.
You need an assistant. You know why?
Why?
Because you've been living in China for a long time, you know. So now when you get back to America, I don't want to say you don't know anything, but you know, you need like, for example, you need a food spot. You need to ask people. You need to ask this.
I'm just too
So
lazy to Google, bro.
See? I'm not saying lazy is bad, but that's why I say you need an assistant,
I
bro.
need an assistant.
Yeah.
Easy, go live.
Yeah, assistant.
Hey, what up, though? Good? Chilling. How them fries? Good? Yes, sir. Man, I wish. Weather dope. People nice. The sights, the food. That's one thing. We like your fit, Brody.
Yeah.
What's your name, bro? You like Georgia State? That's what's up, bro.
It's cool. Honestly, that's cool. You know, just about being downtown or whatnot.
Right. Access and shit too. Right. Cool, bro. Nice to meet you, bro.
Likewise.
Cool, Brody. Hey, yeah.
Yeah, we got a camera.
What you got for us? Talk to me. That's yours. Yes, sir. Hey. Hey. Let's go. Let's go. What's your name? What's your name? Zaki. Nice to meet you, bro. You around here?
Damn, this like the underground Atlanta. We're wasting.
Okay. That cut look nice too, bro.
I appreciate you. I do my own work.
My name
Oh, you a
B.
barber?
It's my boy Jay.
What's up?
I'm from Miami, man. Traveling barber, man.
Cool.
Atlanta's a good city, especially for entrepreneurship. I
Yeah,
see guys like,
yeah.
oh yeah. You guys might need a fresh cut.
Yeah, for sure. Stupid.这几天来，加上
Mercedes-Benz Stadium,
no point to keep walk straight.
State Farm Arena. Also dope.
真的来香港啊。
You guys go look at the camera right here. We're gonna take two.
All right.
3, 1, 2, big smile, 3. I got one more for you. I want you to face each other on the mat, and it's a camera above your head. 1, 2, 3.
2025, first time playing this. What's this called actually? In
Ferris
English?
wheel.
Ferris wheel? Yeah.
We're on a Ferris wheel, aka the Sky View Atlanta.
That's an
ATL. Look at all those solar panels, man.
or it's just a random park.
No, that's Centennial National Park, the Olympic.
You get digitals for $25, hard copies for $36.
Trying to get this one?
Let me see the picture. Ah! Something in my eyes, bro. Stop that.
Excuse me, will you please take a photo of us? Thank you so much. Sorry to bother you. 0.5 or what?
0.5.
0.5, okay. Yes.
Alright, ready?
Yes. Sorry.
Checking Waffle House menu. That is crazy.
东在看看那个 Waffle House 菜单。
我不喜欢。
你是中国人，肯定你不喜欢。Let's go.
This day worth it, bro.
Beautiful dog. How old are they?
American Bullies, 16 weeks.
Beautiful, bro. Girls?
She's a girl, he's a boy.
Oh, boy.
I just sold him, so she's the only one available right now.
Nice, bro. Where can anybody find you if you have like a social media?
Shit, Instagram?
Instagram.
ABR_Reina.
ABR.
REINA.
Cool, bro. Nice to meet you, man.
Thank you, bro.
Beautiful dog.
Yeah, Ari.
I gotta go say this Texas play.
Hello. Damn, she's beautiful. How you doing? What's your name?
Lauren.
D, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Man, these race car jackets cold, man. Kodak for 125. That's not bad. They got the 125 for the vintage jacket. That's hard, bro. It's almost like a museum slash store, right? That's the vibe.
Yeah, the gallery.
Yeah. I'm gonna get a double shack. Thank you. Can we get some honey mustard? Where's the ketchup over here? Oh, okay. Shake Shack burger, man. Not quite as good as my favorite burger spot in Pan Blue in China, but it's damn near close.